President of All Manipur United Club Organization Amuco, Farinjam Nando Luwang, has criticized the government for failing to initiate any befitting action against Kuki militants who have now resorted to bombing civilians using drones. Speaking to media persons at its office in Kuakaitel, Nando Luwang questioned the role of about 1 lakh Central Security Force personnel who have been deployed in the state to control the restive violent clash in Manipur. He also accused the center of partial treatment as it often carry out combing operations in valley areas while giving free run to Kuki militants in hills.
Thongna Paraba State forcing a do Narang drone to get out the Koktuka, no make up a huge Mafunga, no make up the river, the Kogi state forcing Kaya Mating Matona Potopungami. State forcing a Mapun is the Tobunga Makraba. Ngamjunga Moda Taba Ma Kunapachina, the Wiri Beneva. State forcing the Tolop Zaraga, Sonda Kogi Kunapachina Tawai Tari, so even ever. Aduna state forcing to Wakan Kandabio, State Key, Libiri Baranti, Walama, Lucing Basing, Manipur MLA Minister Singh, Wakal Kandabio, Tin Yutabio, Lebak Fagina Trabani, Manipur Miam the guitar, Mitki, Manipur Miam the guitar, Ease, Masigi, so, I mean the Mitki, so that Iran Erga, no Montana, no Monakoi. Kudung Tiripaya have been tuning Simbio, but if Fagi Natrabane, Manipur, Oksanabi Abamatam Natrabane, Oksanabigano, politics chancing, Tongalibio, Nipa Topio, Miam Napis and Bioba, Kulnapio, Miam Napis and Bioba, Sumana Napis and Bibi Wakan Yaldra, some Yani Hiragata, Karazida Irang, Genzelani, Rosalani, Hegagomba, Kuki Irang, 20 Momatam, Tonbangami, Tony Momatam Meva, Sibu Lenga Kilebiki Kanabaka Lady Geva. Lengaxiga Emilini, I minister, Hibaki Kai became the Poppy the Brava.